Hello friends, today we will see what is heap data structure. Heap data structure is a special tree based data structure that satisfies the following special heap properties. The first property is a shape property. In shape property, heap data structure is a complete binary tree, which means all the levels of the tree are fulfilled. So here we can see this is the first left side subtree is a complete binary tree. It means all levels of trees are completely fulfilled, but in right subtree there is a missing part. So this one is not the complete binary tree. But if you want to construct the heap tree data structure, you should follow the property of complete binary tree. So the next property of the complete binary heap tree is an heap property. In heap property, it includes basically three properties. The first one, parent nodes are either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to its child nodes. So the second and third properties are max tree and max heap and min heap. In first we will see the maximum heap. In maximum heap, the parent nodes are always greater than its child nodes. Parent nodes are always greater than its child nodes. If we can observe this example, in this example all the parent nodes are greater than its child nodes. Here if we observe the left subtree, in left subtree 17 is a parent of 11 and 18, so 17 is greater than its child nodes. Here also 11 is greater than 6 and 1, 14 is also greater than 9 and 7. So it's a perfect example of the maximum heap tree. Now when we are using this maximum heap tree, so maximum heap tree, if the user wants to arrange the elements in descending order, so maximum heap is useful for that purpose. Now we are going to see the next property of the heap tree data structure, that is mean heap tree. In minimum heap tree, so always we can observe the parent is less than child nodes, so it called minimum heap tree. In minimum heap tree, parents are always less than its child nodes. If we are observing this example, in this example 1 is less than its child nodes. 1 is parent and 3 and 4 are the child nodes, so 1 is parent node is less than its child nodes. Here also we can observe 4 is less than 17 and 8, 7 is less than 11 and 9. So it's an example of the minimum heap tree. So this minimum heap tree is useful when the user used to sort the elements in ascending order. So this is the useful for the arranging the elements in ascending order. Now we will see the examples how to construct this heap tree by using min and max tree. We will first see how to construct the maximum heap tree. When we are going to construct the maximum heap tree, we have to follow the some properties. The first one, you have to create the nodes, assign the values. After assigning the values, it means you are creating a new node. Whatever the elements or whatever the newly created elements are in tree, you have to compare with this node with to its parent node. If the parent node is greater than its child node, so there is no need to swap the element. But if the parent is less than its child node, so there is a requirement of the swapping the elements. Repeat this process up to building the creating the complete heap tree. Now we'll see one example how to construct the maximum heap tree. Here the example is 34, 32, 41, 9 and so on. Arrange this. We are going to creating the heap tree data structure or arranging this element in maximum heap tree. So first we will going to insert the 34 because it's an first element and always the first element is act as a root element. So the 34 is an root element. Now the second one is a 32. As per the rules of the binary tree, we are inserting the element from left to right. After inserting the element at the left side of the 34, we should compare this 32 with the 34, because 32 is newly inserted and 34 is its parent node. After comparing, 32 is less than its parent node, it nothing but 34. So there is no need to swap these elements, right? Now the second one is a 41. We are going to inserting the 41 as a right side of the 34, right side of the 34. When we are inserting this 41 at the right side of the 34, we should compare with its parent node. So the 41 is compared with 34. After comparing, 41 is greater than 34, so we should swap this number, because the parent is less than child node. So there is a requirement of the swap the elements. So in this way we are arranging the elements in maximum heap tree. Now we are continue this example. The next node is 9. The next node is 9. We are inserting these elements at the left side of the node. After inserting this element, we have to compare this element 9 with its parent node, that will be the 32, and the 32 is greater than 9, so there is no requirement of the swap the elements. After this step, we are inserting the 13. 13 is inserted into right side of the 32. After inserting, again as per our rule, we are comparing with the parent node, so 32 is greater than 13, so there is no requirement of swap the elements. Now we are inserting the next element 18, which will be the left side of the 34. Again we have to compare this 18 with the 34. There is no need to swap these elements, so we are going to continue. Now again inserting the 26. After inserting the 26, we are comparing this 26 with 34. Again 34 is greater than 26, so there is no requirement of the swap the elements. So insert the element 43, which will be the left side of the 9. After inserting the element, we have to compare this 43 with 9. After comparing this 43 with 9, 43 is greater than 9, so we should require the swap, because we are following the property of the maximum heap tree. After swapping this element, so the tree is like this. Again we should follow the property of max. So 43 is new element, we have to compare with its parent node. Again the 43 is greater than its parent node, so again the swap is required. So we are swapping this 43 with a 32. After swapping this 43 with 32, again the 43 is greater than its parent node, so we require the swap the elements. So we should swap the elements. So here final tree after swapping the 43 with its parent nodes. So there is a number of changes, number of swapping. So when we are inserting this 43 into the tree, so see the carefully this step, understand this step, because you are clearing all the concept when we are going to insert the 43. Now the next number is 25. We can insert 25 at the right side of the 32. So the 25 is compared with 32. There is no requirement of the swapping the elements. So this one is the maximum heap tree. We follow the property of the complete binary tree. Now here we can see one thing: in maximum heap tree, all the parent nodes are greater than its child nodes. So our final trees follows all the properties of maximum heap tree. So this is the way to construct the maximum heap tree. Thank you.